There's that.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Princess Joe, and today, if you haven't read by the title, we are doing another hair tutorial. This hair tutorial will be these mini twists I have in. Right now, I just have them up in 2 space buns, but I'm just gonna show you how I did them. And I've had these in for 2 weeks so far. They're looking pretty good. They're holding up pretty well. If you are viewing this, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. To see more content from me, go ahead and follow my TikTok and my Pinterest. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So before we get into the video, we are going to be starting off with clean hair. I don't know about y'all, but I do know about me, and we are starting this hair tutorial with clean hair, okay? So when washing my hair, I do like to section my hair into 4 parts just so it's easier for me to go through and wash thoroughly and detangle with that wide tooth comb. My back hurt.
Oh, I'm hurt. Oh! AP Canario. She deserve a patty cause she one of the members. When it comes to doggo, money not a problem. Turn me to a killer, I just smashed the model. Tiffany come blue, her pussy good and pink. Pink Chicago in the winter time, I'm ordering minks. The minks selling out arenas, I just work the streets.
Finally, after 2 hours, I'm preparing all my products for this hairstyle. I'm going to be using 2 different gels, Pure and Shine and Gel. Either one works fine. For the hair, I'm using 2 different brands, the Outre hair, 3X Springy Afro Twist in the color 1B, and a 3X Springy Afro Twist in the color 27. I'll also be using some of this hair growth oil. To start off the twist, you want to make sure the hair doesn't slide out or unravel from the root of your hair. I'm starting off with 2 pieces, and I'm just starting it off as a regular braid. I'm going to basically braid 2 to 3 times down, and then once I got far enough, I then split the remaining hair into 2 parts so I can start twisting. Now while twisting, you want to make sure to keep adding your choice of gel or mousse so it holds better. Okay, buddy, sure. Anyways, for my original plan, I wanted to do one of these styles because look how cute it is. Like, it's so cute. But I'm not gonna lie, I was on crunch time. So instead, I just decided to do regular mini twist, which still came out really cute. So let's just stop yapping and get back into the video, shall we?
Look at the top of his head.
Bombastic side-eye, criminal offense.
Three weeks later.
Alright y'all, I know y'all probably like, why did she skip the 3 weeks out? Just to show you guys that my hair pretty much grew out using this hair growth oil. The link is in the description. I should really go check it out, for real. But right now, I'm just refreshing my mini twist. I'm still going to be going in with my Pure Gel here. I'll still be doing my same technique as I showed you guys before. The only thing that changed is I'm using less pieces of hair now, so now I'm just using 1 piece. I'm going to use that piece to basically braid into my hair. From there, I'm going to split that into 2 pieces and start my 2-strand twist.
She was crazy, I'm a baby.
Sun in her, she like to blame me. Anytime some shit went down, it was ain't much change, little bugger, no niggas still sitting here smoking on boogers. Still look off my shoes. They the one put me on game, no rookie. Never let a little hoe spin your ass, spin your cash. Life a movie, nigga, pick your cash. Quentin Tarantino, blackjack, no casino. Little county, yeah, that's where my good, my family, yeah. I spit it out for the bounty, yeah. Done it all summer long, news kids popping, they sing along. I know you proud of it. Smart guy, I need it more like Marcus. Remarkable, I did my market.
Before the video ends, this is how the results came out. I did end up cutting it a little shorter, but I think it still turned out really cute. So, and if you definitely want more content like this, you can definitely follow my TikTok. It's always a party over there. So go ahead and check that out. Everything is linked in the description. Thank you everybody that tuned in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys all next time.